everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1989 Ford Mustang 5.0 LX convertible. Just a great little car, guys. A buddy of mine had this car, decided he wanted to sell it. I thought, heck, we'll take a shot at it. I know when I was in high school, man, these were the raves. Everybody wanted, everybody wanted a 5.0. Great car, original car, very clean body. I think he said it's a 4-owner car. Car was originally out of Florida. It's a rare color. This is the original color. It's called light gray smoke. It's one of 200 cars ever built. It's got the darker gray interior, the cloth interior. And again, it is at a factory, the 5.0 fuel injected 5-liter engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. It's got the original wheels. It's had one repaint, and again, this is the original color. Just a great car. I took it out, drove it. My son and I, matter of fact, we cruised it. And just a good little car. You can see the headlights are in pretty darn good shape. These things kind of dull up over the years and still pretty darn nice. $73,000 original miles. Again, I thought if somebody's looking for a fun summer car, they just have a blast with this thing. I know the 80s and 90s stuff is really starting to come on. .5-inch factory aluminum wheels, BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. It's got the stainless exhaust tips. Thought about putting a set of wheels on it, but the boy said just leave the factory aluminum wheels on it. Disc brakes, power steering. Again, factory 5.0 liter HO, fuel injected engine, stock headers or exhaust. Yeah, they're kind of a header is what they are. Power steering, air, disc brakes. Now the engine compartment has the original paint in here. Yeah, it's got all your little Ford stickers on it. Door jambs are nice and clean. Power windows, power locks. It's got the power lumbar. Bucket seats, remote mirrors, cruise. It's got a couple little splits in the seat. I did notice that. There's one here. Factory dash, tacking gauges, 73,558 on the odometer. Factory AM/FM cassette. It's got dual exhaust, factory rear end with a rear sway bar. Now he did paint the rear jamb. So this is your top boot, Jay. Top boot. Yeah, new Ford tags are on there. And just a good, clean car. Gear on, the air does work, blows cold. I'm gonna have you come shut this, Jake. It's hard tough to be one-handed. Again, good little car. I probably put, I don't know, 10, 15 miles on it. My son and I cruised it out one night when that ice cream in it. So all the gauges are functional. Parking brake does work. I know all the power windows work. Top goes up and down nice. Top up there. Top's easy to shut. It's just got the glass rear window. That's good, Jay. I know the radio works, blower motor works. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That's a pretty car. I love the color. Have a great day, guys.